Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy you could join our class today. We are going to learn how to say French sentences. Yay! Wow, and don't be scared. It's not scary. We're going to have a really fun class. Can you say bonjour Ananas so we can get started? Bonjour, Ananas, in a nice loud voice. Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, la voici. Ah, la voilà. Oh, c'est Ananas. Bonjour, les amis. She's saying bonjour to you, les amis. Alors, on va choisir une couleur. Can you repeat the colors? Noir, blanc, rose, violet, bleu, vert, jaune, orange, rouge. Did you want to pick the color today? Tu veux choisir la couleur? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, rose. D'accord, c'est le rose aujourd'hui. So this series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 2.12, E sound. Leçon 2.12, son E. Alors, on va commencer. Oh, ananas, qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember the name of this vegetable? If you said celery, you are correct. Bravo, good job. So, what Madame has done is I've added some words at the beginning. This is the beginning of the sentence, beginning of the phrase. Phrase is the French word for sentence. And this is actually two words. This one is a word and this one is a word, and they're joined by a little apostrophe. So it sounds like this. C'est. C'est. And c'est means this is. So what I'm showing you is le céleri. Now, a very important part of learning French is learning genders. And every noun in the French language has a gender. It's either féminin or masculin, feminine or masculine. Now, how do you know if a word is masculine or feminine? Well, I'm going to give you a little clue. Right over here, this little word un. Now, there's no e at the end, so it's masculine. Un céleri. Now, this doesn't mean that the céleri is a boy. It just means that the word for céleri is masculine. C'est masculin. So we're going to say un céleri. Un céleri. Now, how about we say the whole sentence? Toute la phrase. Can you say it after me? C'est un céleri. Encore. Encore means again. C'est un céleri. Bravo! Great job! And it means this is a celery. That's what it means. What a great start. On continue, mes amis. Oh, oh, ananas. It's a keychain. Did you remember the word? Porte-clés. Bravo. So how do you know if porte-clés is a masculine or feminine word? Did you look over here? Oui. There's no e at the end, so it's un porte-clés. Un porte-clés. It's a masculine word. Masculin. Now let's say the whole thing. Toute la phrase. C'est un porte-clés. Encore. C'est un porte-clés. So what you're saying is, this is a keychain. Oui! Ananas, ça va? Oui? Are you having a fun time? Not so scary learning sentences. Oh, Do you remember the French word for road? Chemin. Chemin. Do you think it's masculin or féminin? If you said masculin, you're correct. Look over here. There's no e. So it's un chemin. It's masculin, masculine. Un chemin. On va répéter toute la phrase. C'est un chemin. Encore. C'est un chemin. Bravo, bravo mes amis. On continue. Qu'est-ce qu'on trouve? Oh, that's a tool. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, tournevis. Did you remember that word? Oui. Now, how do you know if it's masculin ou féminin? Ah, regarde ici. Il n'y a pas de E. So it's masculine. C'est masculin. Un tournevis. Un tournevis. Can we say the whole sentence together? Toute la phrase? Are you ready, Anana? Oui? Tu es prête? Oui? C'est un tournevis. C'est un tournevis. Bravo! Yay! C'est bien. Oh, Anana, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, that's a really long word, n'est-ce pas? Oui. Did you remember bac de recyclage? Oui. How are we going to know if it's masculine or feminine? Anana, do you know? Oui. Tu sais, Anana? Oui. So if you look over here, il n'y a pas de E. So it is a masculine word, un mot masculin. Un bac de recyclage. Let's say the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. C'est un bac de recyclage. C'est un bac de recyclage. So what you're saying is, this is a recycle bin. Bravo! Très bien! Wow! Oh, and Anna, qu'est-ce que... Oh, it's a question. Une question, Anana. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Est-ce que j'ai mon sac, Anana? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, Anana, voici mon sac. Oh, it's making a sound, un son. Oh, ça fait du bruit. It's a noise. Regarde, Anana va mettre sa main dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh, quelque chose qui fait du bruit. Oh, oh, regarde. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Did you remember the word for keychain? C'est un porte-clés. Un porte-clés avec le drapeau du Canada. Wow! Oh, my friends, I hope you had so much fun learning how to say sentences. Because I had a really fun time today. Thanks for joining my class. Can you say, see you soon? À bientôt! À bientôt! C'est à bientôt, madame! À bientôt, Anana! À bientôt, les amis!